Want to hear about like a really super huge, really loud belt? Get ready, set, so.
I think I'm gonna need some therapy. Oh babe, I hope you got a PhD. Won't you let me on the leather couch? I got a lot I need to talk about. I think I'm crazy.
I was like chugging it. It's gonna be a little bit harder than I thought.
I really go insane. You be my favorite thing. I go ballistic. Yeah, you're making me a crazy.
I'm not gonna belch yet. No, I'm saving it.
All the things you do, you make me come unglued. I just can't help myself. I need professional help. I need professional help.
I feel like I'm gonna explode.
You really done it this time. You know you're twisting my mind. You got me acting like a whacked out chick. So I won't be responsible 'cause I'm really not logical. No, I won't be to blame. You know I'm really not sane.
Just so you know, this is really painful.
What I'm thinking, love you.
Wow.